Most people don't miss their first kiss because they're unattractive. They miss it because they don't recognize the moment. Or worse, they feel it and still don't act. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been with someone and everything just felt right? You're talking, laughing, there's chemistry, connection, and then suddenly, everything slows down. The conversation fades. There's eye contact, silence, a moment that feels different. And in that moment, you know something could happen. But instead of acting, you start thinking, what if I mess this up? What if I read it wrong? What if it becomes awkward? So you hesitate. You wait. And just like that, the moment is gone. Later that night, you replay it in your head, again and again, thinking, that was my chance, wasn't it? Yeah, that feeling stays. But here's the truth. Your first kiss is not about luck. It's not about being perfect. It's a skill. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recognize the moment, the real signals most people ignore, a simple step-by-step method, and how to stop overthinking and actually act. What really stops you? Let's be honest. You don't freeze because you don't want it. You freeze because you don't want to mess it up. Your brain is trying to protect you. It tells you, what if they pull away? What if I ruin everything? What if this becomes awkward forever? So instead of taking a small risk, you choose safety. Let me show you how this plays out. Jason is walking Hannah home. They've had an amazing time. They reach her door, but she doesn't go inside. She stays. They keep talking. Then slowly, the conversation fades. There's silence. She looks at him. He looks at her. And in that moment, Jason feels it. That pull. That tension, that possibility. But then his mind jumps in. What if this is too soon? Maybe I should wait. So instead, he smiles and says, all right, good night. And as he walks away, he already knows he missed it. That's the problem. Not lack of attraction. Not lack of opportunity, but lack of action in the right moment. Understanding the moment. Now let's fix that, because once you understand the moment, everything changes. The moment is not loud. It doesn't come with a sign that says, "Kiss now." It's built through small signals. You just have to notice them. First, the lingering eye contact. This is deeper than normal. They look at you, and they stay there. There's softness, curiosity, sometimes even a slight smile. Example: Liam is sitting with Sophie. She looks at him, not just casually, but like she's waiting for something. That's your signal. Second, the distance closes. They don't move away. They lean in. They stay close. Sometimes they even mirror your movements. Third, the energy changes. This is the biggest one. Everything slows down. The loud laughter fades. The conversation becomes quiet. And suddenly, Words don't matter anymore. Presence does. Fourth, the small tests. Sometimes they test you. They might say, "You got quiet suddenly," or smile and wait. They're not just talking. They're checking if you'll lead. When these signals combine, that's your moment. Why you miss it. Now here's where most people lose it. Overthinking. The moment you start thinking, you leave the moment. You go from feeling to analyzing. Example: Andrew is sitting with Chloe. Everything is perfect. But inside his head, he's asking, "Should I do it now? Is this the right time? Maybe I should wait." And while he's thinking, the moment fades, the energy drops, and it never comes back the same way. Here's the truth. Attraction lives in the moment, not in your thoughts. Instead of asking, "Should I do it?" ask, "What they close? Are they engaged? Are they comfortable?" If yes, you're already there. Now let me show you exactly what to do. This is your system. Step 1. Slow down time. When you feel the moment, don't rush. Slow your movements. Slow your voice. Let everything breathe. Step 2. Hold eye contact. Look into their eyes for 2 to 3 seconds. Don't break it quickly. Let the tension build naturally. Step 3. Soft expression. Slight smile. Relaxed face. No pressure. This makes them feel safe. Step 4. The 10%. Move. Move slightly closer. Not fully, just enough to test the moment. Watch carefully. If they stay or lean in, that's your green light. If they move back, you stop. Respect always comes first. Step 5. The lip glance. Briefly look at their lips. Not obvious, just subtle. This communicates intention. Step 6. The slow lean. Now, lean in slowly. Give them time to respond. This is important. You're not forcing anything. You're allowing them to meet you halfway. And when they do, that's when it happens. Let's see it in real life. Michael and Jessica are sitting in a quiet cafe. They've been talking for hours. The energy shifts. Conversation slows down. Jessica looks at him, smiles softly. Michael doesn't rush. He holds eye contact. He breathes. He moves slightly closer. She doesn't move away. In fact, she leans in a little too. He glances at her lips, then slowly leans in, pauses for a second, and they kiss. No awkwardness, no overthinking, just a natural moment that both of them felt. Here's what you need to understand. Your first kiss is not about technique. It's about courage in a quiet moment. You don't need perfect timing. You just need good enough timing. Stop waiting for certainty. Start trusting the moment. Because the truth is, most people don't lose their chance. They give it away by hesitating. If you want to stop overthinking, build real confidence, and actually improve your real-life situations, then hit subscribe right now. Because on this channel, you don't just watch content, you learn how to take action in real life. And tell me honestly, have you ever felt the moment but didn't act?